those walls I built, baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking is the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray you won't fade away. I can see your halo. Halo, your halo. I can see your halo. Halo. Hit me like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest nights. You're the only one that I want. Think I'm addicted to your light. I swore I'd never fall again, but this don't even feel like falling. Gravity can't forget to pull me back to the ground again. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking is the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo. Pray you won't fade away. I can see your halo. I can feel your halo. I can see your halo. Halo.
Hey, well done, Keeleigh, well done. Louise, what did you think of Keeleigh's performance?
Keeleigh, what I liked that you did this week is that you took a risk. You sang a song completely a cappella, which in itself is a massive risk. It's so easy to kind of go off key and, you know, finish in a different key that you started in. So you took that risk, and I love that you did that. I think, going back to, you know, your theme this week, which was change it up, I feel like although all you did was make it a cappella, if that makes sense, I think you didn't really change much of the melody. It was all very much the same. It was just with no track. And I feel like you are capable of more. So I want to see you bring more to the table. But in saying that, also, you know, your video, your presentation, the way that you presented yourself and performed it was a lot better. So well done for that. But it was a lovely vocal. I just feel like you could have done more. So well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I'm loving the look this week. It just seemed like you made so much more of an effort for the camera. It was a really brave decision to take on an a cappella song, especially Halo. It's not the easiest of songs to sing at all. But, you know, like Louise said, that it was sort of like change it up. And the fact that it was a cappella and you had no track to guide you could have allowed for a lot more room to sort of like ad-lib or change the melody, just make little tweaks here and there. I did like the fact that you do this little thing with your voice where you thin out at the end of certain phrases, and it almost gives you like a folky vibe. So I like that you know, we got to hear that. I don't think we would have if you had a track behind you. So there is a positive to it, but I do feel like, you know, that we need to sort of be embracing the theme a little bit more so that we can sort of like learn from the theme. That's what they're there for. They're there to challenge you. But I've got to commend you for being brave to sing that song a cappella. I think you did it really well.
Yeah, Keeleigh, I mean, like I said, I still feel like this is all new to you in finding yourself going from being with an instrument to then doing a track and then to a cappella. It obviously shows me that you're still trying to find what you're all about yourself. And that's okay, because that's what you're here to do. You're here to learn. Yeah, we are still seeing a sort of situation where like, oh, right, is that right for her? Did she do this, that? Because you were still finding yourself. What I loved about this is that I got no doubt in my mind, I haven't spoke to you this week, but I got no doubt, when I heard this start a cappella, I was thinking, whoa, this must be a lot for her to do. She's chucked herself in the deep end, only because, like, you're bare, there's nothing around you to hide from, it's just you and your voice. And I think that's probably where we noticed more, that there wasn't enough change and you didn't do enough with the song to just show us that you can explore. So I completely get, like, obviously where the girls come from, that you do need to explore more vocally, 100%. But I can't say it's a bad performance. I don't think it was better than some of the previous performances we've seen, but I don't think it was the worst performance of yours. Only because I loved the fact you took a risk and done it a cappella, and it didn't actually sound that bad. I would have just liked to seen a little bit more done vocally. So in future with your songs, whether it's a cappella or instrument, whatever, just don't be frightened to play a little bit more, but obviously make sure you're comfortable and is in pitch, all right? But play a little bit more with your vocals. Well done.